grm with me. So for today is lalakad kami ni Mama papuntang mall just to stroll kasi it's so very hot. And as you can see, pinagpapawisan na talaga ako. So let's do this quickly kasi naghahantay na si Mama. So for the pants, I'll be using yung binili ko sa ukay-ukay, yung tig 150 pesos na pants. So it's an Old Navy brand and it's a flare style high-rise na pants. So let's try it on. Uy, super hot. Parang nagmamantika na talaga ako dito. Sobrang init. So anyways, this is the pants. I like it. Kasi high-rise na siya. And kita naman yung fit niya. And, ayan. And for the top, this is from Ukay 2. And this is worth 25 pesos lang. So, let's try it on. So, ayan siya. This is the top and this is the pants. Sobrang ganda niya talaga. And for the footwear, I'll be using this one na binili ko lang sa gilid-gilid dyan. Like around 150 pesos lang din to. And it's worth it naman. Hindi pa naman siya sira until now. Like ilang beses ko na siya nagamit. Like sa mga local stores lang dito sa amin. So, yes. Super strong pa niya. Hindi pa sira. So, anyways, sobrang long ng pants na ito. Kaya, my mama and I decided na i-flip lang muna siya until na pwede na siyang ipagawa. And ipa-soup like ibanan ba. And for the bag, I'll be using this one kasi bagay siya dahil may blue and blue. So, yan lang naman yung aking outfit for today. Okay naman siya. Wala, ganda-gandahan lang tayo for today. So, let's go kasi nahantay na ako ni Mama. Have a great day. Bye!